Okay, so welcome back, guys. Welcome back to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we shall be adding the shear wall to help us reduce the story displacement. What I'll do is unlock this model, unlock it, looking at it in the 3D. So in this direction, we were safe because this place is wider than this. So all it did was reduce our maximum story drift in this side to 90 millimeters, and in this other direction to minus 56 millimeters, while in the positive y direction it gave us a value of 110 millimeters, and in the negative direction this side made it a value of minus 251 millimeters. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to be placing shear walls in some strategic positions to reduce this drifting. So we'll be placing our shear walls in strategic positions. And remember, I told us in the previous video that there is a shear wall along this place for lift, but I removed this purposely for the case to check if we need the normal shear wall or we'll just place a normal concrete masonry wall, put columns and beams with masonry to fill the shear wall. But you can see in this case now we need to provide our shear walls at this point, and we need to provide some shear walls at some strategic point inside, because now this place is slender, so the wind is pushing it more like this. So I need to make it more rigid by placing some shear walls at this point. And remember, there is a full wall here without any window, so I can place my shear wall to reduce it at this point. Okay, so that's what I'll be doing. I'll go there, go to my plan, go to my first floor plan. Okay, then I've defined my shear wall, so I'll come to this place, draw shear wall, choose what I want and select it as pair, leave it as no. So I'll come here at this point, place it here, place it here, then also place at this point, place at this point also. Sorry, that is not straight. So I will undo it, Ctrl Z. Okay, so place at this point, then do the same thing here, place here and place at this point also, and paste it here. So we are good to go. Now what I'll do is select this shear wall and replicate it down to the roof. Select it, okay, then replicate down to the roof. So from roof to second floor, I'll apply and click OK. So you can check it on the roof, click OK. So on this roof now, I need to cover the shear wall at this particular level. So I will place a slab of about 150 there. Use your slab 175. So I need to create a new slab to define section property, and add a copy of this and just name it slab 150 and change the thickness to 150 mm. So we are okay with that. Click OK. So we have our slab here of 150. I'll just draw it to this corner. Okay, we have the first slab there, then the next slab along this place. Okay, so what we need to do now to also reduce the deflection along this rate is to put some critical shear walls here to make it stiffer, put another shear wall here to make it stiffer. What I'll do now is I'll just do it from the first to fourth floor, test if the shear wall is enough. So I'll go to the plan and choose first. Okay, so I will select this column, select this beam, select this also, and I'll do the same thing here, do the same thing here, do the same thing here, because we need to place the wall there. We can't place a beam on top of the wall. Select it, delete it. So I'll come here, use this to draw my wall, put my wall section I want, select it and select. The reason why I can't put it down here is because here's an open space. I'll select it down to this level, next to the joint. Yes, also something similar to that.